Hello viewers, Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Festival will start on 22nd of September. Today in this video I will talk about some of the questions that people have asked me, and also I will tell you about the low budget tablets that you can buy from 10,000 to 15,000 or 15,000 to 20,000 rupees. The first question that people have asked me about: what would be the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus Wi-Fi plus 5G variant? I think the price of Wi-Fi plus 5G variant would be around 31,000 rupees. One of the users want to know the price of MotoPad 60 Pro, 12GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. He wants to know the price of this tablet without bank offer. I think without bank offer the price of this tablet will be around 24 to 25,000 rupees. So it is highly recommended to buy any product with credit cards. On Flipkart.com you can buy any tablet using credit card of Axis or ICICI. Another user wants to know the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus 256GB variant. I think the price of the 256GB would be around 50,000 rupees. Many users actually want to buy low budget tablets, so if you are planning to buy tablet from 10,000 to 12,000 rupees, in that case you can consider Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus or OnePlus Pad Lite. Also you may get OnePlus Pad Go in 12,000 rupees. Next, if your budget is 15,000 to 17,000 rupees, in that case you can consider buying Redmi Pad Pro or Moto Pad 60 Neo. Similarly, if your budget is 20,000 to 22,000 rupees, in that case you can consider buying iPad 10th generation if you get this in offer. Also you can consider Xiaomi Pad 7, Moto Pad 60 Pro and the 5G variant of Redmi Pad Pro. One of the users wants to know about Redmi Pad Pro base variant versus Moto Pad 60 Neo base variant. I think between these two tablets Redmi Pad Pro is better. The processor, the multitasking and the screen quality of Pad Pro is better than Moto Pad 60 Neo. One of the users wants to know that Tab S9 is available at 26,000 rupees at Amazon.in, but he doesn't know which card will be applicable for discounts. During Amazon Great Indian Festival, actually SBI credit card and Amazon ICICI Bank credit card will be eligible for discount. Next question is that what will be the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Wi-Fi plus 5G, 8GB RAM and 256GB storage? There are many variants of Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. If you want to buy the Wi-Fi plus 5G variant and the 256GB storage, in that case the best price would be around 20,000 rupees or less. Another interesting question is that how do you predict prices of tablets? Look, I have been making videos on tablets and its prices for about 3 to 4 years. I closely observe all the deals and all the offers that come on Amazon and Flipkart.com, and most of the times you can check that the prediction of my tablet pricing is about the same they offer in the sale. So this time also I think you will get most of the tablets at the mentioned price. After the deal, let me know in the comment sections below if you have got your pricing about your desired product or not. Another user wants to know, will iPad Air M3 come under 43,000 rupees? The answer is yes. I think there will be discounts on iPad Air M3 and you can get this iPad under 43,000 using SBI credit card or Amazon ICICI Bank credit card. Another user wants to know about Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Samsung has quietly launched this tablet, but I don't think this is a value for money product. The product is selling around 30,000 price bracket. During sale in this price bracket you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and also you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. So why buy this S10 Lite? So these are some of the questions that people have asked me, and I tried my level best to answer these questions. If you still have any question in your mind, ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. And also you are requested to like and hype the video to grow me in the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.